Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use Vanguard skins in Modern Warfare. First, navigate to the Operator tab from the main menu. Here, you'll see a selection of available operators. Look for those marked as Vanguard operators. Once you've selected one, you can then proceed to customize their appearance. This simple process ensures you can enjoy your favorite Vanguard looks within Modern Warfare's gameplay. It's important to understand that Modern Warfare integrates operators from different game titles, including Vanguard. Each operator has their own set of unique skins. You cannot apply a Vanguard operator's skin to a Modern Warfare or Black Ops Cold War operator, and vice versa. Ensure you've selected the correct operator type before attempting to change their appearance. This keeps customization organized and straightforward. Once you've chosen a Vanguard operator, you'll see a variety of skins available for them. These skins dramatically alter their look, from tactical gear to more unique outfits. Take your time to browse through the options and preview how each skin appears. This allows you to find the perfect style that matches your preference before you head into your next match. Experimenting with different Vanguard operators and their unique skins can add a fresh feel to your Modern Warfare experience. Keep an eye out for new content, as additional operators and skins are frequently introduced through game updates. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Enjoy customizing your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.